Hey guys, today we're making my Nutella Fudge Brownies. Unlike regular brownies, these are even easier and require only 5 ingredients to make, but they're just as delicious and gooey as regular fudge brownies. If you love Nutella, you gotta make these. So for this recipe, you'll need Nutella, and yes, you'll need a lot because it is substituting both the butter and the chocolate in this brownie recipe. To this, you're going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and you're going to mix these well. Make sure the eggs are fully incorporated in your Nutella. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. You're going to add the flour and cocoa powder. Interesting fact, this video was not planned. I was actually developing this recipe as I was filming it. I was really craving brownies that day, and I decided to experiment and, just film this. So you're actually watching me create the recipe in the moment. I decided to also add some hot milk to add extra moisture and really bloom and dissolve that cocoa powder. Transfer your batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper, spread it out evenly, give it a good bang, and you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 18 minutes. Unfortunately for this video, I didn't do the toothpick test, but brownies must come out of the oven with gooey crumbs. I do have a video showing you how to get that perfect brownie toothpick test, and I'll leave it in the description box below. I was really happy how these turned out, guys, with that beautiful crack top, just like regular brownies. Allow these to cool, and because I didn't show this in my previous brownie video, and since a lot of you asked how to get that perfect brownie cut, I might as well show you in this video. The trick is to use a hot knife. That way it cuts right through the brownie and it won't stick to the brownies. I do like to cut the edges off. I know there's this big debate on what's the best part of a brownie. I personally just love that fudgy center, but I know there's a lot of people that love the crispy edges. I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Which part of the brownie is your favorite? To me, nothing beats a gooey, fudgy brownie center. These came out fabulous, chocolatey with a lovely hazelnut flavor, really decadent, and with that thin, crackly top, which is a must for brownies. Get yourself some vanilla ice cream to serve with these, and you'll have the most amazing fudgy Nutella brownies.